Good evening everyone. My name is Anushmita Mukherjee and I'm going to share something about confidence. What is confidence? Importance of confidence and how we can grow our confidence. So confidence is like our best friend. Whenever we are in difficulties, whenever we are going through difficult times, if we are confident enough, then we can manage that situation. Confidence is very important in our daily life. Confidence helps us to take any decision. It helps us to achieve success. It is very vital in our daily life. So, how we can grow our confidence, how we can build our confidence. We should always focus on some points, like few points we should focus on and few points we should avoid. We should not compare ourselves with someone else. We all have some potential, we all have our hidden talent. We should focus on that. We should focus on our hidden talent and we should boost ourselves up to do something which can definitely increase our confidence. And before doing something, we should always have clear vision about that point. We should have clear knowledge about what we are doing or what we are saying. Otherwise, somehow we will feel lack of confidence at some point. So we should always keep in our mind that before doing something, we should know proper, we should have proper detail about that work. And we should always think positive and say positive to ourselves. We should always motivate ourselves. We should always keep in our mind that we are the only one who can motivate ourselves. No one else can motivate ourselves. Only we can motivate ourselves. We should always motivate ourselves to do something. So it will obviously develop our confidence. And we should stay away from negative people and negative thoughts. We should not bother about what people are saying. We should not think about some negative thoughts. Of course, negative thoughts will come in our mind, but somehow we need to overcome those situations. We need to overcome all those bad situation, all those bad thinking, and we should always focus on what we are doing. We should always, and to achieve, like to grow our confidence, we should obviously have some idea. Like we should focus on positive people. We should always focus on someone who is very confident, and we should try to follow them, which will obviously help us to grow our confidence. And these are all important points which we should follow to grow our confidence. Thank you.